Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we've got the April VIP box from Sparkle Supplies UK. So excited to see what's inside these because they're always such good value and the products are always beautiful. I do have a 15% off discount code which is in, I'm just cutting it open by the way, which is in my description box as always, like on every single video that I do, whether it's about Sparkle Supplies UK or not, but I will try my hardest to remember to pop it on the screen up here somewhere. Very blurry, that's helpful. There we go. So here is this month's box even. Lorraine always includes this little slip of paper that tells you everything that is in the box, its name and how much it will be for you to buy it individually. The products all come to, so can you just stop trying to give everyone earache? The total value of them all added together is £13.25, but these boxes are £12.99 without my discount code, so you can still get 15% off on top of that. Every product in here is not for sale like separately until the 7th of June, which is exciting because you get the products early. And then that is everything that's included and how much it will be. So I'm just going to leave that here and I won't tell you individually as we go along how much everything will be because you can just refer to this. So first of all, we've got Bimbo Glitter, and that is this one right here. Just spread it out a bit so you can see it a bit better. Stunning glitter. It's got lots and lots going on in here. Don't even know where to start with explaining what's in here. So let's flip it over so you can see all the larger pieces. So there's large hexes as well. There's like metallic silver. Oh, there's iridescent ones. There's pink. There's yellow, there's orange, lots going on in there, and then we've got all the smaller pieces as well and the fine glitters throughout. When you move it you can really see the different types of effective glitter in there, which is amazing. So that one's called Bimbo. My dog really just does not know how to stand still for 1 second, like she's just not one of those dogs, I'm afraid. And then next up we've got this diamante chain sort of thing, which is a beautiful green colour. Really, really sparkly. Obviously you can cut off how much you want. It's 18. I'm pretty sure that little sign means inches, but 18 inches would be really long. Is it actually inches or is it centimetres? Oh, it is really long. Wow. So it is 18 inches. It's huge. Look at this. Obviously it's not silver on that hand. It is all green. I've just got it the wrong way around because it's all twisted. But how beautiful is that? It's so shiny. And it really is 18 inches long. So you get loads of that. That will last for ages. Put that back in there so it's nice and safe. So that's that. Then we've got two potted glitters here as well. I think one's a glitter and one's a flake. So this one is a glitter. It's called Dreamy. And this is what it looks like. Wow. It's actually hard for my camera to focus on it because it's just so glittery. Just spilled that everywhere. Obviously, I don't know what I was expecting to do when I just tipped it up. But this is really beautiful. Oh, white. Like I'm holding it too low. Stunning. Nice iridescent shift. And it's like a mixture of purple and blue. It's absolutely beautiful. So there's that one. I'm going to get rid of these specks in case it messes up my camera. And then we've got Blushing Flakes in this one. Wow, they're different. So we've got yellow, some pink fine glitter in there. We've got some like of the blue iridescent shards as well. Absolutely amazing. Just mesmerising. I could do this all day. Not going to because that'd be a very long boring video, but yeah, they are beautiful. And then we've got some stickers which I'm struggling to pick up because my nails won't get under them. Here they are. It's perfect for spring. So we've got, oh gosh, I can't hold anything. We've got a mixture on here of different things. We've got some leaves, some autumn leaves, hearts, some flowers, different types of flowers. There's all sorts going on here. They are beautiful. I love these flowers. In person, they're more like a teal sort of blue than proper blue. It's not really showing up very well on the camera, but they are beautiful either way. And then, last but not least, I've left it till last on purpose because it is beautiful. Not that nothing else in this box was, but it's definitely caught my eye as soon as I opened the box. So we've got Garden Party foil now, which is the last of everything. I'm going to take it out and open it up so you can see it properly because it is just beautiful. Look how stunning that is. I absolutely love that. That is really, really stunning. I'm definitely going to have to do a video with this soon because that is perfect for spring. And I love foils. Like when you find, foils can be one of those things that you can actually really hate. Like I used to really hate them before I actually did any research into how to use them properly and stuff and what products to use alongside them. But once you find a good foil gel, foils will be your best friend because it is like the easiest thing to do ever. You just paint foil gel on, you cure it and you stick a foil on. Like it's so easy, but it looks like you spent hours on detailed artwork when obviously you haven't. And lo and behold, the best foil gel is definitely the Sparkle Supplies UK one. It's 15ml. Obviously you don't really go through it that much because it's not like a normal gel where you'd be using it on all nails on every set. You only use it sporadically when somebody wants a foil, and sometimes someone will only want a foil on 1 or 2 nails and stuff, so it lasts ages. But it's really good value anyway because it's not that expensive, and you can use my 15% off discount code for this as well, so you get it even cheaper. But yeah, it's a beautiful product. It's very, very good, so definitely get that if you are struggling with foil. You might just need to experiment with curing times because it can be different depending on which lamp you use and stuff like that. Like sometimes you can cure it for 60 seconds and it'd be fine and perfect to use. Sometimes you need to cure it for like 20-30 seconds, pop your foil on and then cure it for the other remaining 30 or 40 seconds. But just mess about with it until it works best for you. I personally have done it in 30, put the foil gel on, put it in the lamp for 30 seconds, bring it out, put my foil on and then cure it for another 30 seconds to make sure it gets the full 60. So that's just what I do. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know which is your favourite product. I definitely want to vote Garden Party for me because that is beautiful foil. I might even have it on my nails next time, especially because it's pink and blue. I like that. So that'll go with pinks and blues, which is good. Very versatile. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Bye.